Hello po. Thank you po.
Kaso 1 pa naman sila. Sige kung mayroon pa. Thank you.
Hi guys! What's up? So, it's me again, Shelly Telly. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to my channel. And for today's adventure, we are here at the beach camp, Lian, Batangas. So, magka-camping po kami dito, overnight camping. And kararating lang namin, nag-early check-in po kami. And unfortunately, may mga nagliligpit pa lang sila. So, maghihintay pa kami. So, for the meantime, baka mag-breakfast muna kami. Maghanap kami ng mga kainan kasi merong mga resorts pala dito on the way. So, yun guys. Itutour ko kayo mamaya. So, abangan natin yan. So, tapos na kami mag-set up, pero wala pa tayong tent. Daddy, no?
Later.
Naglalaro ang mga kids at ito ang aming set up for now. And we're about to eat. Ito ang aming lunch. So, kain na tayo. So guys, It's around 5:30 in the afternoon. So, malapit na mag-sunset. So, wala na po ang tubig dito pag ganitong time. So, i-check natin kung anong meron dito sa starfish, guys. Oh. Magkapatong sila. Cute. Mommy and baby starfish. Tapos marami, guys, dito na mga yung maliliit na mga crab. Ayan, oh, naglalakad-lakad sila, madami, guys. Tapos may mga maliliit ding isda. More starfish. Guys. Are you setting free? Are you setting it free?
Yeah, but one of the crabs isn't in its shell.
Look, nagmo-move yung starfish.
Yeah, this. Whoa. Whoa, see? It's so cool. Look at it.
Yeah.
I found the hermit crab. It's in its shell. I think it's inside the hermit crab. I saw a hermit crab. Here, hold it.
Oh, yeah.
Take it.
Where?
Take it.
I don't want. You blow. Blow mo. Hipan mo dandan. Lalabas yan.
It's coming out.
Drinking water yun.
Sunset. Oh, yeah.
Eating time.
Eating time. Okay.
Bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
guys!
I'm gonna squirt you.
No.
Tuntua sila na ko, nagsisim yung mga dogs, oh. Hi! Jumbo! Naki-Jumbo, hindi naman namin aso. Cute. Ayan, nagliligpit na ulit kami ngayon dahil pauwi na ulit. Back to reality, guys.